Crypto.com CRO Coin holders, are you ready for what's to come for the CRO Coin price? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com CRO Coin. So let's hop into this video. All right, guys. So first things first, right now we are looking at a black screen. Let me change that for you. All right, so over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black C. I say day 36 bull posting CRO Coin to $1. BTC.D, aka Bitcoin Dominance, is going into max pain, rallying into 59% territory, retesting the breakdown. We'll take a look at Bitcoin Dominance here shortly, because there's some very, very important signals we need to be looking at when it comes to CRO Coin. Because if Bitcoin Dominance is doing moves to the upside, CRO Coin is going to collapse. I am looking for it to test as resistance for CRO Coin to test the 20% price level once again. Crypto.com is still building and is still the #1 exchange in North America. Repost this CRO fam. $1 CRO is still on the menu. Go follow me at 333 Black C on Twitter. You can see me posting throughout the day to keep you guys in the know. And if you want to see some of these charts, we can look at that as well over on Crypto Twitter. So let's break CRO Coin down right now. We are sitting at rank 32, down about 11% in the past 7 days, down about 1% in the past 24 hours. We're seeing a little bit of a relief rally here. I don't really call it a rally, but more of a bounce off of the capitulation of the downside when Bitcoin came down. We're sitting at a $4.36 billion market cap. We once were above $5 billion, but guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is just par of the course right now. When retail comes to the market, when they FOMO in, and Bitcoin takes a little bit of a sneeze, then you see these altcoins take massive moves to the downside. And I will be honest with you guys. CRO Coin is a fantastic signal to keep your finger on the pulse of where retail is at. And I see that retail is here. They are definitely here. So let's take a look at CRO Coin right now. So we have broken down from a very, very important level of 20 cents. I've been saying for a while now that usually when it comes to support and resistance levels, usually touching and testing 4 times is one too many. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you get the breakdown. And that's exactly what we're seeing play out right now. That being said, I'm not saying that we're in no man's land and we're just going to crash down here. There's some hopium in this, all right, guys? There's some hopium. We'll take a look at that shortly, but specifically on the CRO Coin chart, when you zoom out, yeah, we could come down a little bit lower, but man, it's really tough to say. Like, there's a very good chance that this is a fake out right now, especially in bull markets. It is not uncommon to see Bitcoin draw down 20, sometimes even 30% when you're talking max pain, and then you see the altcoins come down 50, 60, sometimes even more percentage points down just to be bought back up, and then we go to new all-time highs. It is not uncommon to see that. And guys, if you do believe that this is a fantastic time to buy the dip, which I think this is probably a good opportunity to be buying the dip, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to BOFIN. You get a $5,000 sign bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. So if you want to get away from those high trading fees on other exchanges, you can sign up to BOFIN and get grandfathered into that lifetime 10% off all trading fees. This is a limited time offer, so I recommend you guys sign up right now. So let's check out what's going on here. Bitcoin is at 97,000, nearly 98K right now. Bitcoin Dominance trading at 57.02%. That is the main takeaway I want you guys to be paying attention to here. When you exclude stablecoins, we are at 59%. That's what I've been saying for quite some time over on Crypto Twitter. I've been hollering saying, guys, it looks like Bitcoin Dominance wants to test 59%. That's the bottom of where we broke out of the rising wedge. And if we do touch that, it's going to be very, very painful. And well, guys, you can see like Ethereum was at 4K. We dipped down all the way down, I think 3,200. Absolutely insane. Big sell-offs across the board. Solana underneath $200. XRP came down. It was a bloody sell-off, and right now we're just getting a little bit of a bounce here. So when you're looking at Bitcoin, I want to emphasize that the trend is still intact, okay? It's not like, okay, the top is in. Really, what we need to be keeping our eyes on is about $88,000. If we can see daily candle closers above 88,000, we're safe. We're safe, okay? The market can do whatever it wants to do, but we just base our opinions on probabilities and statistics. That's what I personally do on the Crypto Report. 88,000 is the price we want to be holding. Sure, can we dip a little bit lower? Yeah, but then I'll be a little bit more cautious about it breaking market structure, and then be talking much more about local top vibes, all right? It is local toppy if we do break below $88,000, in my opinion. But the trend is still intact. Money flow is still green. VWAP coming down a little bit. Don't really like that, but we can easily come back up with that. Bitcoin dominance is really what we should be focusing on as well. So look at this wick. It's absolutely insane. So we came up here, we topped out around 63%, and over on Crypto Twitter on November 20th, I said, I think the top is about in, and it was, the top was in, and then we crashed down, and altcoin season started. But we couldn't get off that easy, so we saw a bounce, and I thought, there's a good chance we spill over here, but Bitcoin had some other ideas. Jerome Powell came out and basically nuked the entire economy for a couple days. The equity market is recovering relatively well today, but Bitcoin is too, but the altcoins, it takes a little bit of time. We need a little bit more certainty for the retail to come back and say, oh, I panicked, let me get back in here. But we bounced. Instead of spilling over here, we bounced all the way up, and we wicked back into the rising wedge. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. But all it is right now is a wick, my friends. All it is a wick. A very nice, fake-outy type of territory, okay? And as long as we don't close above it, I'm going to say, yeah, we probably spill off this. Like the post I said over on Twitter earlier in this video, it looks like we're going to reject off this, and we'll probably break down and be back to business here. There obviously are then validations, like I said, Bitcoin closing below 88,000. That's alarm bells going off if we see that happen. But right now, I am cautious but bullish. Cautious, bullish. I know that's not that great, but be happy that me as Black Sea is saying cautious, bullish, not bearish. Okay, things are we still have some things to sift through, and we need to see Bitcoin make a decision here. But right now, it's not that uncommon to see big bounces like this and big sell-offs during the bull market. And yes, we're still in a bull market, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, please go follow me at 333 Black Sea on Instagram. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I will give away $1,000 to one of you guys. So go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out that awesome referral link down below. Get that 10% off all trading fees if you're trying to buy that dip. And that's all I really got for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that the local top is in? I'm not even gonna let you guys answer the question if the macro top is in. There's no way the macro top is in right now unless a black swan event happens. Okay. Do you think the local top is in, or do you think this is just a normal bull market shakeout and we're getting ready to see CRO Coin make some big moves to the upside and see some retail FOMO coin? I'm very curious. Let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I got, guys. Be patient. Don't get shaken out. Buy those dips when it looks good. I'll see you in the next one.